So, beautiful people, here is our coconut ice cream. It's ready to take. This is 6 hours. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. In this video, I want to prepare coconut ice cream. This is my coconut milk. This is coconut milk. How we prepare it is on my YouTube channel. Here we have coconut essence here, flavor. Here this is sugar. We have our stick. So join us as we're about to prepare this. You see as a thick. So I'm going to keep it inside freezer. Thank you very much for watching. So, beautiful people, here is our coconut ice cream. It's ready to take. This is 6 hours. We leave it inside freezer. So I'm going to take it out. Wow, this is nice. This is our ice cream. Wow, yummy. So Emmanuella, take. It's ready. Wait now. You hold it like this. Majo jabole. Which one you like?
This one. No, this one.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh. This one never differs. Take this one. You see, this one come out. Yeah, take. Majo jabo. You like it? It's nice. Wow. Emmanuella like ice cream. Philip, you like ice cream? So yummy.
Look about it.
So this is our ice cream. Coconut ice cream. It's yummy. Wow. This is yummy ice cream. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to share and like, comment. Please help me to share this video. This is our first best ice cream. Help us to share. Emmanuella, say bye-bye. Bye. Wow, so yummy.
It's yummy.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Wow.
You see Mama, Mama, you see Mama.